Are you tired of seeing your money just sit in your checking account doing absolutely nothing? You work hard for your money, and it should be working hard for you too. In the past, people settled for those measly 0.01% interest rates from traditional banks. But guess what? Those days are over. In 2025, it's all about high-yield savings accounts, or HYSAs for short. These bad boys offer significantly higher interest rates, meaning your money grows faster. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best high-yield savings accounts that'll help your money make money in 2025. We'll dive deep into each one, explore their interest rates, fees, or lack thereof, and I'll even share some insider tips on how to maximize your earnings. Kicking off our list at number 1 is Varo Bank, and let me tell you, they're coming in hot with an incredible APY of up to 5%. That's right, you heard correctly, 5%. Now there's a little catch. This sky-high rate only applies to balances up to $5,000. But hey, that's still an amazing opportunity to grow a chunk of your savings faster than ever before. Think about it. If you have $5,000 sitting in a traditional savings account earning a measly 0.01% interest, you'd be lucky to earn a couple of bucks in a year. But with Varo's 5% APY, you're looking at a potential $250 in interest. That's the power of a high-yield savings account, my friends. Now, for those of you with a bit more cash to stash away, don't worry. Varo still has you covered. For balances over $5,000, they offer a still competitive 2.5% APY. That's significantly higher than what you'd find at most traditional brick-and-mortar banks. And the best part is, Varo Bank makes things incredibly easy. There are no minimum deposit requirements to open an account, so you can get started with whatever you have, even if it's just a few bucks. Plus, there are absolutely no monthly fees to eat into your hard-earned interest. So, if you're looking to supercharge your savings and watch your money grow faster than ever before, Varo Bank is definitely worth checking out. Coming in at a very close second on our list is Bank, another fantastic option for those seeking a high-yield haven for their hard-earned cash. Bank keeps things simple and straightforward, offering an impressive 4.6% APY on all balances. That's right, no tiered rates or balance caps to worry about. Whether you're just starting with a few $100s or you've got a sizable nest egg, you'll enjoy the same competitive interest rate, allowing your money to grow consistently over time. Imagine this, you've been diligently saving for a down payment on your dream home, and you've managed to squirrel away $20,000. With Bank's 4.6% APY, you'd earn around $920 in interest in a year. That's enough to cover a few mortgage payments or even treat yourself to a well-deserved vacation once you've settled into your new place. But Bank's appeal goes beyond its stellar interest rate. They also understand the importance of accessibility and convenience, which is why they've made it incredibly easy to open and manage your account entirely online. No more waiting in line at the bank or dealing with inconvenient branch hours. With Bank, you can handle all your banking needs from the comfort of your own home 24/7. They don't charge any monthly fees or maintenance fees, so you can rest assured that your interest earnings won't be eaten away by hidden charges. So, if you're searching for a high-yield savings account that offers a consistent and competitive interest rate, regardless of your balance, Bank is a fantastic option. Chapter 3, Bank 4.75% APY, your gateway to higher returns. Sliding into the number 3 spot on our list is Bank, a digital banking powerhouse that's making waves with its impressive 4.75% APY. Now, Bank does have a slightly higher minimum deposit requirement of $500 to get started. However, this is a relatively small hurdle to overcome, especially when you consider the potential returns you'll be reaping. For those of you who are serious about saving and have already built up a little nest egg, Bank's $500 minimum deposit shouldn't be a deal breaker. In fact, it can actually be a good thing, as it encourages you to make a more substantial commitment to your savings goals. Think of it this way, that $500 minimum deposit is an investment in your financial future. And with Bank's 4.75% APY, that seed has the potential to blossom into a beautiful financial garden. Just like our previous contenders, Bank is all about providing a seamless and convenient banking experience. Their online platform is super user-friendly, allowing you to easily manage your account, track your savings progress, and even set up automatic transfers, all at your fingertips. You won't find any monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or other hidden charges to worry about. So, if you're ready to take your savings to the next level and are comfortable with a $500 minimum deposit, Open Bank is an excellent option. Chapter 4, Capital One 360, the best of both worlds. 3.70% APY and physical branches. Coming in strong at number 4 is a familiar name in the banking world, Capital One. Now you might know Capital One for their credit cards, but they also offer a fantastic high-yield savings account through their online banking platform, Capital One 360. With a competitive 3.70% APY and the added convenience of physical branches for those who prefer a more traditional banking experience, Capital One 360 is a great option for those seeking a blend of online and offline banking. One of the major advantages of Capital One 360 is that they don't require a minimum deposit to open a high-yield savings account. This means you can get started right away, even if you only have a small amount of money to deposit initially. And just like our other top contenders, Capital One 360 believes in keeping things simple and fee-free. You won't be hit with any monthly maintenance fees or other hidden charges, so you can rest assured that your interest earnings will be all yours. But what really sets Capital One 360 apart from the competition is their extensive network of physical branches. While many online banks operate entirely online, Capital One 360 gives you the best of both worlds. If you ever need to deposit cash, withdraw money from an ATM, or simply speak to a banker face-to-face, you can easily do so at one of their conveniently located branches. So if you're looking for a high-yield savings account that offers a competitive interest rate, the convenience of physical branches, and the ease of online banking, Capital One 360 is definitely worth considering. Chapter 5, American Express, HYSA Banking with a Trusted Name, 3.70% APY. Rounding out our list at number 5 is another well-known and trusted name in the financial world, American Express. While American Express is primarily known for their premium credit cards and travel rewards programs, they've also entered the high-yield savings account arena with their very own American Express HYSA, offering a competitive 3.70% APY to help you grow your savings faster. One of the biggest advantages of banking with American Express is their reputation for reliability and excellent customer service. They've been around for over a century and have built a solid track record of providing top-notch financial products and services to their customers. So, you can trust that your money is in good hands with American Express. They don't require a minimum deposit to open an American Express HYSA, so you can get started right away regardless of your current savings balance. And just like Capital One 360, American Express doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees or other hidden charges, so you can enjoy the full benefits of their competitive 3.70% APY without worrying about your interest earnings being eaten away by fees. While American Express doesn't have a vast network of physical branches like Capital One 360, they make up for it with their exceptional digital banking platform. Their website and mobile app are incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to easily manage your account, track your savings progress, and make transfers, all at your fingertips. So, if you're looking for a high-yield savings account from a reputable and trusted financial institution, the American Express HYSA is definitely worth considering. There you have it. The top 5 best high-yield savings accounts to help you unlock the full potential of your money in 2025. From Varo Bank's incredible 5.00% APY on balances up to $5,000 to American Express's trusted name and exceptional digital banking platform, there's a high-yield savings account out there for everyone, regardless of their financial goals or banking preferences. Remember, the key to maximizing your savings is to be proactive and seek out the best possible interest rates. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your financial future and open a high-yield savings account today. Your future self will thank you for it. Which HYSA sounds best to you? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance tips.